Ooh, best friend checking
Best friend, I'm
in.
pregnant.
By who?
That's the thing. It's between Jamal and Michael.
Girl, if you don't name that baby Jamichael and flip a coin for responsibility, heads Michael, tails Jamal.
Girl, you're smart. Flip it up.
Heads Michael the
I
pappy.
knew he was. I knew it.
Hello.
Michael,
What's up?
I'm late.
Ooh, quarter dirty girl. It's tails.
Happy birthday, boy. You thought I was gonna forget?
My birthday was 4 months ago, girl. What you talking about? Hello.
Jamal,
What's up?
I'm late.
Where you gotta be?
I'm pregnant.
No. Well, I'm ready. I'm ready to be a dad.
I'm ready too. Let's name him Jamichael.
Jamichael. Yeah, I like that.
Like that.